Dal fry is a classic must-have at Indian restaurants. But why not bring those flavors straight to your kitchen? Today on Rana Roshmita, we are diving into a simple step-by-step way to make this comforting dish at home with a few helpful tips. Begin with a mix of toor or arhar dal and moong dal. This combo gives the dal a great balance of creaminess and texture. Wash them well under running water until the water runs clear. Then soak them for 30 minutes until they puff off like this. Once soaked, transfer the dal to a pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water, some salt and turmeric powder. Cook on medium heat for about 3 to 4 whistles or until the dal is soft and mushy like this. Now let's make the irresistible tadka. For this, heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add in some cumin seeds, a pinch of hing, a couple of dried red chilies, and chopped ginger and garlic. Saute this until the raw aroma fades and the garlic turns golden brown. Next, add in some chopped green chilies and onions. Here's a tip. Add a splash of water while sauteing. This not only keeps the spices from burning, but also helps the onion turn golden brown faster. Once your onions are golden, it's time for chopped tomatoes. Add a pinch of salt to help the tomatoes cook faster, along with turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, and a touch of Kashmiri chili powder for the color. Add another splash of water so the spices don't burn as they cook into the tomatoes. Saute until the tomatoes are mushy and your masala base is ready. Now pour the cooked dal into the masala mix, stirring well over high heat. This will help any undercooked bits of dal to soften as they blend with the masala. Add water to adjust the consistency. If you prefer it thick, like we do, about a cup of water should be just right. As soon as it comes to a boil like this, your dal fry is practically done. But for that special restaurant touch, we will do one more tadka. In a tempering bowl or a small pan, melt a generous amount of ghee. Then add chopped garlic and saute until the garlic just begins to brown. Then take the pan off the heat and add kasuri methi and Kashmiri chili powder. Pour this flavorful mix over the dal and finish with a sprinkle of chopped coriander leaves for the signature aroma. Give it all a gentle stir and your creamy, delicious dal fry is ready to serve. Pair it with steamed rice or naan and savor the restaurant-style flavors in the comfort of your own home. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button. It really helps our channel grow and keeps us inspired. Until next time, happy cooking!